The Supernova Vegan Bath Bomb is a bath bomb that contains Epsom salt, kindling clay, baking soda, and essential oil, designed to enhance your bath experience. When added to the water, it releases fragrances and skin-nourishing ingredients, creating a relaxing and soothing atmosphere. The blend of essential oils further contributes to the experience, making it ideal for unwinding in the evening or on the weekend. Supernova Vegan Bath Bomb contains a blend of oak, Kentucky bourbon, cinnamon, and vanilla essential oils, resulting in a unique and pleasing aroma. The mix of the woody and sensual scents provides a relaxing and soothing environment, making it ideal for unwinding after a long day.